Hello guys, my name is Piyush and welcome in Music Ma classes. Today in this lecture I'm going to show you how you can create your own resources. Okay. So in previous lecture I show you how you can run your project, your jersey project. Okay. Through the Maven tool. Okay. I'm using Eclipse IDE and I'm using Mac. If you are using the window, you don't need to worry. This is as similar as in window also. So what I'm going to do, I'm using my own package and right click on it and go with the new, go with the class. So I'm going to create an student class, right? Okay. If you have worked in servlet technology, so आपको पता होगा वहाँ पर आपने DAO class बनाई होगी. So you will use the MVC pattern, but I'm not going to use the MVC pattern right now because I am using the Jersey project. I'm working on the REST API, so I'm not going to relate the servlet technology in it. Okay, so I'm going to do what? I'm going to create a student class. So I'm going to define the private private string. Oh my god, what is a string name? Okay, a string name, and then oh, it's capital, small. It should be small. Okay, right click in it and go with the source. Go with the okay for all. Only my name is here. Okay. So you can see here here is getter and setter method. Okay, so simple is it, and then go with right click on it and go with the new, go with the class, and I'm going to create the resource for my student class. Student resource. Okay, finish. It's very simple. So hey, what you can do here, you can create your own resource for a student class. So I'm going to create what? I'm going to create public, okay, and method get name, okay, get name. Okay, so the method returns what type of data? Student type of data. Student type of data, right? And here I need to create an object of student class. So student is equal to new student. Okay, okay. Then what I have to do? You can use your object as dot. You can set the name. Set name. Suppose that I'm going to set my name is um, Piyush. Okay, and then using the own reference s, I'm going to okay, that's it. I'm going to set this name. My name is Piyush. Suppose that my name is Piyush, so I'm going to set my name is Piyush. So then after I have to return, what I have to return the object. What object I have? As object. Okay, simple is it. Okay, so let's check what exception, what error we will get. Okay, so I'm going to just check. Okay, so right click here and run as Java. Okay, run on server. Okay, with the finish. I'm sure we will get error. So what error we will get? We have to analyze it. Okay, so you can see here web API, and because uh, मैंने कोई path mention नहीं कर रखा है, so I'm going to mention my path here at the rate path, and set my path here. suppose that student. Okay, so control space and the, okay, control space and set. Oh, okay, import the package, save, double h there. Okay, simple. Okay, so I'm going to set the name student, capital S, student. Okay, we are getting 404 4 not 4 error. So what does mean? The mean is we have to set uh, the method at the rate get, because it shows when you will click when you will enter the student. Okay, then it goes through the this method. Okay, so going to import control space and then get this one method is importing. Okay, so next save it and then going to run as run on server again. I'm going to finish it. Okay, okay, just taking a time. Okay, so when you will click here and write web API, then student, okay, you will get an error, right? This time we are getting some another error. So what is error? 500 error. So what is the error? Error is this because you not mention your what type of you want, what type of data you want here. So we want XML data here. So what we have to do, we have to mention what type of data we want. So at the rate XML, control space and then you can see here XML root element. Okay, save it. I'm going to run again, run as run on server with the finish. Okay, okay, then I hope we will not get any error, because from a long time I'm saying to you we will get. So this time will not get any error. So this time I'm going to follow my own style, web API. Okay, and then student, click enter, you will get the name Piyush. But but I'm not, I really don't want get in this manner, because under this student you will get the child of name. Okay, uh, but I'm not getting in the XML style. Okay, so I'm going to copy in it, copy this one thing, because this is Safari, so this is not compatible. So I'm going through the, I'm going to click on, okay, okay, click on, just click. Okay, so I'm going to paste here, hit enter. Now you can see this is the XML format. Under the student, this was the class, and under this one, this is a private variable. You can see here this is the XML format. Okay, so this type you can create your own resources. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. In the next video I will discuss later uh, how you can enter uh, by the user, how you can enter the name by the user, because we are we are we are manually set the name here, but how you can enter from the user side. Okay, so we will discuss in the next subsequent tutorials. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please do subscribe my channel.